Bless you.
Artistic passions and enlightenment often ignored, if not ridiculed, being forced to work for a corporation.
What are you looking at? What are you doing?
While this socio-political and ecological commentary is all just theory,